Hi, I'm Keith and I'm going to show you how to change the air conditioning filters on a John Deere 650K. We have two wing nuts that we have to take off, so hold it up with one hand, push the panel up and the panel will hold it in. There's a little tab in the middle, and if it doesn't want to quite pop out, there's little tabs on the side that you can help pull it out with. The first filter we're going to change is the fresh air filter. It's located behind the cab, underneath the unit itself up here. So there's a panel right here. We have two wing nuts that we have to take off, so hold it up with one hand and undo the two wing nuts with the other. After the panel pops down, it will stay there by itself. This air filter is supposed to be tucked up there. It fell down by itself, so we'll pull it out. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. I wouldn't want to be breathing that in. So this one was damaged just a little bit. I just bent it straight. As long as it's nice and straight all the way around, it's going to make a good seal. So we pop it up inside, push the panel up and the panel will hold it in. And then do your wing nuts back up. That filter's changed. The next filter we're going to change is inside of the cab. It's up in here behind the operator's seat in the back corner. There's a little tab in the middle. You're going to pull towards the front of the machine. And if it doesn't want to quite pop out, there's little tabs on the side that you can help pull it out with. Here's the tab to help pull the filter out. There's the old one. Now the new one, we're going to pop it back in. You pull that little tab out of the way. You just slide it up in the slot, push the tab back, and that's complete. Please support the channel, like, comment, and subscribe.